Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. Subscribe down below. Today I have a what's for dinner with you. I have some really quick recipes that we had this week. I had a very unmotivated week when it came to cooking, so I just have some quick recipes that will be good for your whole family, and I hope you enjoy. So tonight we had turkey meatballs. These were so good. I really like using ground turkey for meatballs. So I had a pound of ground turkey from Costco, and then I decided to chop up some of the spinach in my fridge and put that in there. I then put my usual seasonings, which is garlic, chili powder, and salt and pepper, and then I added a little bit of Lowry's in here. I'm still not 100% sure how I feel about this seasoning. I find it like very, very salty, but I added that in there along with some barbecue sauce, and I didn't measure this, so however much you feel is needed. This made about 9, but they were on the bigger side, so you could make them a little bit smaller if you have kids. And then I believe I had 3 of these, and then my husband had 4, and then we had 2 left over for lunch the next day. These cooked really well. You do have to drain the grease out of them occasionally because it will come off in the pan. And then as a side, I was feeling super lazy, so we had frozen wedges, sweet potato fries, and frozen Brussels sprouts. And I just throw it all in there and throw it in the air fryer. So easy. And then for a glaze on the top, I mixed together some ketchup and some maple syrup. And that was our dinner. It was actually really good, and it was very simple, but it just hit the spot. Then this night we had salsa chicken sheet pan. I kind of wanted something that was fast and easy but also healthy, so I cut up 2 sweet potatoes. I peeled them and cubed them, and then I had 2 chicken breasts, and then these are frozen baby Brussels sprouts. They were basically was kind of like the meal we had the night before, but I just love these Brussels sprouts. They're just easy to throw on a pan or in the air fryer, and they taste really good. And so then I added salt, pepper, garlic powder, olive oil, the usual, onto them and tossed them around. Put in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes, and then I took it out and added some salsa and then cheese on top, and put it back in the oven for another like 10 to 15. This night we had BBQ Chicken Wraps. Again, theme of the week, I was being really lazy. And I didn't know what to make. And a lot of the times on Thursdays, I will make frozen food because I've just had it with cooking after 3 nights. Even though I love cooking, sometimes Thursdays need a break, and then I'm ready to go for the weekend again. So we had these frozen chicken strips from Costco, and these are really good, and I made them in the air fryer. You put them in for 20 minutes, you turn occasionally, and they're done. And then I had these little tortillas, and I cut up some tomatoes and lettuce, and then I put those chicken fingers on along with some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Simple, easy, fast, perfect if you have kids. My husband loves these wraps. They're his favorite thing in the world. These are also great for camping. All you need is to bring the chicken wraps if you have a trailer and you have a freezer. All you have to do is bring like the ingredients for the wraps and then throw the chicken in the air fryer. We like to eat these in the trailer a lot. And I just made 2, and I didn't really know how to wrap them, so I cut that part out. And then tonight we had slow cooker chicken burrito bowls. This is again like a meal that I really like to make that's super easy but also makes a ton. So you have so many leftovers or feeds the crowd. So I put in beef broth. You can do chicken or beef, and then 2 chicken breasts, and then salt, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, the usual. And then I let that cook on high for about 2 hours, and then I cooked up, this is actually frozen peppers and onions, and I cooked them up. You can throw them right in, but I like to cook them first, and it's just an easy way to get your vegetables in. And then I added in a can of corn, and then the rest of the peppers that I cooked up. And I have no shirt on here because I was just doing my workout. And then I added a can of diced tomatoes and 2 cups of rice, uncooked. And then I added some more seasonings, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I let it cook again for about 2 more hours. And then I took out the chicken and shredded it. I also added in taco seasoning there, but it was running out. So I just grabbed them out of the crock pot and then I just shred them up, and that's just how I do it. And then I put all the chicken back in, and it's nice and easy to shred at this point because it's been in there for a while. I just mixed it back all together. I'm pretty sure at this point I did turn it on warm because it was pretty much ready and we weren't ready to eat yet. And I just put it in this to-go cup because I had to bring my dinner to go this night. But you can put anything you want on this. You can put shredded cheese, Tostitos, avocado, hot sauce, salsa, sour cream. You can really make it your own, and that's what I really like about these. So these are really good and a great thing that anyone can customize to what they like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.